Okay, I've got this Knight KG-670 RC tester, and really my goal with this one is to use it as a capacitance and leakage tester for repairing this command set over here, which is the 1.5 to 3 megacycle command set. I want to preserve as much as I can the original capacitors inside of it. So when I opened this thing up, I found that someone had already started the recapping process, and none of the capacitors are left in this thing. So I pull the documentation on this device and recap it, put the caps back in as they were originally intended. Okay, I've completely recapped this unit according to the manual here that I found online, a BAMA archive of the kit manual. The trickiest cap to find was this 2 microfarad unpolarized 200 volt, but fortunately I had some in stock. And here's the rectifier tube going, there's the eye tube. And we'll show you this unit in action here. Kill the lights. So right now I've got a 0.047 microfarad cap in there. So I'll place it on C2, and as I come around to the cap's value, a nice definitive dip, very close to 0.047, which is actually far more accurate than I thought this thing would be. Now the next thing is to try the leakage mode. So we'll try 150 volts. When you put it over to leakage mode, the eye opens up a bit. Throw this switch. It's a momentary switch. No leakage. Let's try 250. No leakage. 350. No leakage. And 450 volts. No leakage. So the capacitor checker is running, it's working just fine. Very happy with this unit. The Knight model KG-670. Okay, so I'm restoring this command set radio here, and just want to make note at how remarkable these old capacitors can be. This is we're testing a 0.22 microfarad, the one that goes right back there. So if we take a look, it resonates pretty much right where it should. And test for leakage. And the cap is open. And the other one on this little block here was open as well. It's doing pretty good. And so I don't think you have to replace all of the caps here, and this is a very, very important thing to know with this old gear. It'd be great not to have to replace all the caps, especially these special capacitors in this unit. I mean, they'll never look the same once they're replaced. Very interesting.